3D printer is a fascinating machine to look at while it is being fabricated as well as while it is working. But the awareness and the availability in our country is sparse.
Due to this, we have manufactured a tailored product for Indian masses. Made in India, made for India. JAAV, the first of its kind.
This printer was manufactured at a price of ₹28,000.
So we intend to mass produce it and make it available to our people.
Our printer being very first of the production unit can't be sold directly to the customers.
So we got into crowdfunding for further development of the product as well as making it available and helpful for those students and institutions who intend to buy this machine.
The price of this printer is 22,000 rupees and a do-it-yourself kit will be made available to the early customers for just 18,000 rupees.
So if we get your support, we'll get this product more cost effective and highly available in our market for our country. So please do support us.